Hello, Elizabeth here. I'm going to talk about our weekly topic, which is codependency. When I was a kid, when I was growing up, one of my siblings was disabled and she was having seizures every day. She was not independent. She always needed help. And she was the oldest. I was second oldest, and then I had younger siblings. So I tried to kind of help my mom a lot. And because I had to be the oldest for my other siblings, I was kind of trying to take on this role of like being responsible, being the person who you can ask advice, controlling other people, telling them what to do, what not to do. And I was acting out that role as somebody who was, helpful and who was needed there. And I was really attached to that role. And so later when I started meditating, that was the first chance to close my eyes and look inside and start to fix the things that are in me. Like after letting go of a lot of things, that I can observe my behavior a little bit better and try to reflect on why I can't say no to something. And also have to kind of realize that the most important relationship, what I really felt when I did the meditation, most important relationship is with truth, with the universe within. That's what comes first, because from there, from that place, you can understand, your mind patterns and your behaviors. You can reflect on yourself, and you have to cleanse and let go of things that are stagnant or blocking or kind of obscuring that. And little by little, when you find truth inside, you realize that from that place, you can build healthy, good relationships with people. From a place of truth, you can be honest, you can find authentic relationships and you can speak honestly. That was something that really changed for me, is being able to say something honestly, even if I think the other person's not going to like it, or if they're, like before, I couldn't even say things what I really felt because I was so afraid of rejection or of the other person leaving me. So when you meditate, you can get to the point of like throwing away the false mind, finding your true mind, and then from there, you can have healthy relationships and you can help others from a place of truth, universe. Like ultimately, the universe is doing everything, and in the end, like kind of letting people go from your mind is also really helping them and helping you. And I learned that through meditation. So thank you so much for listening. I hope this was helpful, and have a good meditation.